Okay, in the box of our node, you can see there is an adapter. So this is the adapter that comes. Okay, I'll take it out. Okay. So this is here. It is clearly written. It is a warp charge. So this is the adapter we received with OnePlus node. Also, this is using here it is clearly written the power supply unit. Warp charge 30 made in India. So it is a white color. And our C-type cable should be connected to this port. So this is the type C one charger, that is OnePlus warp charger for type C, and we must insert it into the power adapter. So this is OnePlus warp charge 30 power adapter. Okay, you can connect it like this. So at 30 watts, this warp charger is one of the fastest charging techniques from OnePlus that is used including in OnePlus node. You can reach a maximum charge of 50% in 20 minutes and full charge in less than 1 hour. So you can see what it is written in this power adapter also. Another advantage of this warp charger is only little heat to your phone while charging your device. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos like this, subscribe Engineers World Online. Thank you.